Hi everybody, this is Philip Saruni from Saruni Digital Media. Yes guys, welcome back to another episode. Tumekuwa na very long weekend and remember always show what's happened and that's why I'm here. Guys, according to the nominees, watu ambao walishinda Male Artist of the Year. Yeah, they gave to Sunny Noblesse. Yes, Sunny Noblesse deserve it, Mayana mwenyewe. Yeah, female influencer of the year walimpatia Sasha Met. Yes. Male TikToker of the year walimpatia jamani anaitwa Emmanuel Leshao. Manu mwenyewe. Video vixen of the year Coco. Yes, I just know Coco. Coco, do you have another name? I just know you as Coco. Matukuite Coco Melon. Comedian of the year Merin. Merin deserve it. Yeah, Merin amekuwa number 1 kwa hiyo sector ya comedy. But then a comedy yake is pure comedy. Yes. Then we have male model of the year, Mr. Tyra. I don't mean Mr. Tyra or Mr. Tira, but that's the guy. Jamaa mrefu sana. Song of the year, Agatha Nasirian. The song of the year. Then we have producer of the year, one and only Kasafo Records. Kasafo. Then DJ of the year, Kenya. Ni DJ Kingston. Big up Kingston, unafanya kazi fiti. Then we have female model of the year, Lavi Model, as her name suggests. Yeah, huyu ni model kabisa huyu. Hata ukimwangalia just the way she looks, huyo ni model. Then we have male uprising of the year, jamaa anaitwa Aizo Suyanka. Yes, Aizo Suyanka, by the way unafanya kazi fiti sana. And congratulations to you guys. And guys, thank you for the Olosho Awards organizers. You really did an amazing work. See you guys next year. In case ulifinyika kiroho, tuko na next year. So guys, see you next year, 2026.